Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Benjamin and you are watching Sartorial Styles. In this unboxing video we will take a look at a pair of denim jeans made by Hockerty. Let's go! So before I start unboxing this parcel, I want to talk about the experience a little bit, as always. So what I love about Hockerty is their website, because it's properly translated in many languages and it's very easy to use, and it's just also easy to understand what you are actually ordering, because they have 3D customization for pretty much any product. With jeans, I felt exactly the same way actually. They do have quite many options actually. You can choose the level of distressing, for example, or which kind of patch sticker you want to have on the back, and of course also which fabric you want. And I always feel like they put quite a lot of thought in the customization process to make it easy for customers to understand what they should pick, what they maybe shouldn't pick, and what would result in which type of garment basically. So with the jeans you do have quite some options, but you cannot go for a super formal quote-unquote pair of denim jeans. Means you cannot go for side adjusters or pleats or something. So these are pretty casual jeans overall, no matter on how you style them basically. What I also like about Hockerty is the measurement process. It just works very well. It's properly described by videos and also by texts, again in many languages. So yes, these denim jeans are made to measure. They are not just custom with standard sizes, but they are custom and made to measure. I measured myself again because my last order at Hockerty is quite some time ago. So I thought it would be a good idea to just completely restart the measurements, completely wipe all the data they have about me and just go for new measurements. So I'm quite excited how the fit will turn out on these denim jeans. I will put all the customizations I did for this piece on screen right now so that you can see what I picked if you want to order a similar pair of jeans. And now I will start unboxing this parcel. Wait a second, before I do that, I want to tell you that duties, taxes, customs, all that stuff is always already included in the price, so Hockerty will pay these for you. And what I also wanted to say, their turnaround time is 18 days, but it never is in reality, so I think I waited 5 or 6 days longer for this pair of jeans. It has been way worse with them, so this is actually quite acceptable, but I would just like it if they say we need 3 weeks, we need 4 weeks or something like that, and the clothing just arrives in time. But that's something you should keep in mind when ordering from them. It always takes longer than they promise. And now finally let's unbox this. So the pair of jeans comes in a plastic bag like this. They state that it is reusable, like sure it is. I don't quite know how I would use a plastic bag like this, but okay. So here we have a little card saying how I should wash their items, but it's only about suits, coats, trench coats, shirts and polo shirts, so there is nothing stated about denim jeans on this, so it doesn't really make sense to put this into this order. And here we have a thank you card basically, saying that I could rate them, like give them a review to earn 10 euros of store credit and some other stuff. So that's also something they put into every order placed at their store. And then we have the pair of jeans over here. Very nice fabric, that's something I can already tell. I really like this fabric. Very nice, very classic blue color, I would say. Nice, this is way softer than I expected somehow. That's quite nice actually. So here we have back pockets. Very nice. I also like the contrast stitching actually for a casual piece like this. That definitely works in my opinion. Something I also did is going for a button fly instead of a zip fly, something I also quite like, seeing it in person now. They also have another Hockerty sticker on the coin pocket inside the front pocket of the pair of jeans. Very nice actually. It does come with belt loops for sure, and here you can see like the patch on the back that I chose. They have, I think, 2 or 3 different colors available for this. The buttons, I think this is plastic. It looks like metal, but it is plastic. According to the sound, it says Hockerty custom denim on it. That's quite a nice detail actually. The pockets are, oh yeah, they are definitely large enough to put even a big phone inside there. That's also very nice. And I think the most interesting thing about this is how they look on me, how the fit is, so I will just try them on right now. See you soon. I'm back and wearing the pair of Hockerty custom denim jeans right now. So what I noticed right at the beginning is that these pants do come with quite a lot of stretch. So these are super comfortable to wear. That's something I can tell you, like right now sitting with them, but also standing with them. They are extremely comfortable, like way better than most denim jeans I have or had in my life. So that's definitely nice. I'm not quite a big fan of stretch fabrics, to be honest, but that's something I picked because they stated that this fabric will have quite a lot of stretch inside. So that's not their fault at all. I just picked this fabric. So I will maybe try one of their non-stretch fabrics in the future as well, but when it just comes to like comfort, these are extremely nice actually. The fabric also is a little bit thinner and lighter than I expected. That's actually also quite nice because they aren't as bulky kinda as some other denim jeans are, so that's definitely nice. The fit is spot on when it comes to the length of the trousers and to the waistband overall. The leg area is a little bit tight for my taste, but still acceptable, I would say. Like, it's not super tight, like a sausage kind of tight, but it could be a little bit looser for my taste, but that's probably something that I should have told them in the order process or later via email, or just by changing my measurements basically. But yeah, they are comfortable. I think they look pretty good. The fit is very good, so I don't know. I don't know what to complain about. Sure, real metal buttons would have been nice because I'm pretty sure that this is plastic. But overall, the styling, how it looks, the fit, all these things are pretty much spot on. And that on a pair of jeans for about 100 euros, depending on which fabric you choose and which styling options you choose. That's definitely nice, I would say. So I would like to hear in the comments what you think about this pair of denim jeans, and if you want me to try one of their non-stretch fabrics as well. Up there you can find 2 more videos from my channel, and down there you can subscribe to it. Have a nice time and see you next week.